it's Sunday, so that means it's bike day. I've had Jess loaded in the car, got both our Enduro bikes today, and we've come to Leeds Urban to have a bit of a session. So we're only here for the morning, just gonna have a bit of a play, do some jumps, have a play around, so take you along for the ride. So we've made it to Leeds Urban. We're about to have a bit of a session on the bikes. Just done some more adjustments to Jess's bike so it's ready for her. Mine's sat pretty, Jess's is ready. Here she comes now, ready to do a ride. She was just doing some scouting. Now, time to have some fun. So cruising down to the main line at Leeds, just seeing how it's running today. I've not been here on the Enduro bike for a while. I'm normally on the e-bike, so this is a lot more graft than I normally like doing. So, top of the main line of tables at Leeds, first run of the day. Let's see how they're rolling today. Oh, that is the wrong gear. Not too bad. Yeah, Jess. Again. Seeing the changes they've made to this bridge line. Oh, that table's new. Ha! That's still a hit though. That's steep. Ah, okay. Ooh, it's greasy down here today. Dropping into the woods after we've had some play on the table line. It's proper greasy. moved on from the step up now. Did get a few more clips on my phone than I got on the GoPro, so I guess I'll put them in here. But now we are playing on a bit of a corner. Jess is getting some laps in, getting some done, and having a good time. Gonna mooch off in a minute though, because we've got to get donuts this afternoon, and then Jess is going into Manchester to get another new tattoo. So only had the morning here to play, but it's been a great morning. Whichever.
Muffin.
Happy, Jess?
Yes. And I get a tattoo soon. It's a good day for me.
And this is Jess's fresh piece of artwork. So it's so cute, three little octopuses hugging. So who's that by, Jess?
It's by Susa, who is a Flander, and she designed this as well. And she made this cushion. You should check her out on Instagram.